In this series, I'm going to talk to you about wood, how to get it, where to find it if you live in a rural or urban area, and if you are working with green wood, how to prepare that green wood or half log to mount on the lathe and to be able to get a finished product like this. There are many different types of wood that you can use. This is a green log, but you can also use commercially prepared blanks, which you purchase from a woodworking store, or branches that you might pick up off the front yard or the backyard, or from your neighbor, or a tree arborist. It's always a good idea. When I hear a chainsaw running in my neighborhood, I get in my truck and I go find out where that chainsaw is. I introduce myself, I make a new friend in the neighborhood, and that person gets some help cleaning out their yard.